In this video, we are going to introduce a tool that helps to bring a single entry point for the modeling of process hierarchy in an EcoStructure plan system based on Citect SCADA and Wonderware Historian, regardless of whether the architecture is using EcoStructure Hybrid ECS or simply Pack and SCADA combination. As you know, the equipment hierarchy defined in Citect SCADA allows smart navigation and alarm segregation in the supervisory layer. And currently, we already have the Citect SCADA connector service that helps Wonderware Historian to automatically collect historical tags and alarms based on the configuration in Citect SCADA. However, the Citect SCADA connector service does not transport the equipment hierarchy to the Historian database. So, with the help of this complementary engineering tool that we present in this video, the equipment hierarchy defined in Citect SCADA can be easily imported and reused for organizing tags in Wonderware Historian, therefore reducing the engineering effort, securing the consistency of information, and providing the end user with smart navigation throughout the process model to quickly and easily find the data stored in the historical database. Alright, let me show you the whole thing in action. This is an example site SCADA project. It has a good hierarchical model and lots of variables and trends marked for historization. So these are the variables. Let's view only those that have been assigned to equipment hierarchies and also marked for historization. Moving on to trends, let's make sure they have equipment assigned and also they are marked for historization. As you can see, the equipment name is a hierarchical name with the dot character used for separating the levels. Okay, now let's use Orchestra System Management Console to check the tag configuration in Historian. As you can see, the Citect SCADA connector is doing its job of transporting tag definition from SCADA to Historian. You can also see that there are no public groups reflecting the equipment hierarchy defined in Citect SCADA. Let's check the trend application and see how things are looking for the operator. And here you're only getting a flat list of tags, making it difficult to pick the right ones for monitoring the trends. Now, let me show you our new tool in action and how it makes a huge difference. Okay, the tool has been installed already, so I'm just going to launch now. This is the settings editor. You just need to enter information about data sources and how to connect to them. For Citect SCADA, only the project folder path is needed. For Historian, you need to specify SQL Server instance name and authentication details. This list might take some time to show the data as it is performing a discovery in the background. You can wait, or you can also enter manually if you know the details. These settings will be saved securely when you close the application, so the next time this dialog will not be displayed by default. Okay, now we have the data. On the left side, you have a tree view showing the hierarchy, and here you have the data grid showing you variables and trends configured for historization. The tree also functions as a quick filter, so if you click on the root node, then the entire list of variables and trends will be displayed here. If you click on one of the children nodes, then you will only see the variables and trends belonging to that subtree. This will make it easy for you to validate the information if you need. This column shows the variable or trend name in Citect SCADA, and this column tells you whether Historian already has the tag definition collected. Remember, that is the job of Citect SCADA connector. This tool can create tag associations only if the Citect SCADA connector has already transported the tag definition. Okay, so sometimes you will see no here, and in that case, tag association cannot be created. Here is a summary of current state of the databases. There are two action buttons. This one, Add Groups, is for only adding newly found groups and tag references. The rebuild groups action, on the other hand, will first delete the existing hierarchy and build again using the latest information found in Citect SCADA project. So let's go ahead and add these groups and tag associations. Okay, so the action is successful and the user interface has been refreshed. Here you can see the updated summary. Alright, now let's check the results in Orchestra System Management Console and also the Trend application. Here you can see the root public node created by the tool. Underneath you have the entire hierarchy. So what about the Trend application? Let's open the trends. Here also you can see the same hierarchy defined inside SCADA. That is great. So now I can easily pick the tags by reusing my knowledge of the hierarchical model defined in Citect SCADA, making Citect SCADA the single entry point. Okay, so that's all we have now. We hope this tool will be helpful to you and please let us know your feedback. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.